guys our first challenge video, you could say. We got here is ghost pepper powder. Yeah, powder. It's not as spicy as the ghost pepper, but it's like a couple thousand kilos in the heat.
Milligrams.
The heat measure.
Oh wait, I thought you were talking about how
and
much
we're
is in
gonna
it.
put some in our hand and taste it. So, Chase, hold out your hand.
Okay, don't put a lot in my hand.
Well,
Okay.
it's for YouTube.
Okay.
Do it for the vine.
This is what I got in my hand.
Do it for the
Should
vine.
I just lick it, or what should I do?
You put. Wait. Okay, I got way more than you.
Oh God, I got way more. Okay.
That's about the same.
What should I do?
We both put it in our mouths, and
I'm gonna regret this.
all that ghost pepper powder.
Oh,
It doesn't look like a lot, but
Can I just like
is-
lick it?
all of it in your mouth. All right.
No. What? No.
Guys, you're gonna see our first hand reactions. 3, 2, 1.
I still haven't got a.
Move for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it. I just got out my nose. It's terrible. Oh my God. Ugh.
Bathroom.
Bathroom right now.
Well, I swallowed it.
Bathroom right now.
I want puke. Ugh.
I'm gonna puke right now.
Ow, guys. He's puking.
What? You do not want to try that stuff. What? King of selfies. Oh my God. We should do it in the bathroom right now. Okay.
Alright, so guys, this is out.
I'm still gonna do it. Okay, a little bit more of it. I'm probably gonna go freaking home crying, but
My
it's all
tongue is red.
everybody's tongue is red, don't you think?
Well, it's actually pink.
Same thing. Like, there we go. Oh crap, that's a lot.
Do for the vine.
Okay, wait. How do we? There. No, that's how much I have right now. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Ah.
Ow, this hurts. Well, there we have it, guys. Our first challenge video, I guess. We got this powder from that19.com.
Help us.
Go check out that19.com. They have a bunch of cool products and items that you can buy for cheap prices. And this is our peace out. See you.